This is my fixed gear bike check. I ride a Rush. It's got this dank Columbus Cro-mo tubing, and the geometry is pretty relaxed for these Chicago streets. I'd be gripping on Easton handlebars with an Easton stem and an Easton carbon fiber fork. Wheel talk. These delicious green gummy wheels are made by Velocity. Got it for Westtown Bikes. Pretty cool. My butt is sat upon a physique saddle, not very comfortable, with a stock saddle post. In the back, Velocity B43 big beefy wheels laced to a Suzue Pro hub, and my gear ratio is 48:17. I SRAM cranks, and I put my feet into these little feet straps. They have carrots on them. That's about it. Woohoo!